Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nuka Sulistia Agustin from Islamic University of Indonesia. Today, I will presentation about the simultaneous of electroporation and biocoagulation on the treatment of pit water using mangbin as natural coagulant. One of the main compounds contained in pit water is humic acid, which is known to damage endothelial cells when accumulate in the human body. Mangbin flour was chosen as biocoagulant as it contains a protein that can reduce the rate of water turbidity. Materials and methods. The electrovoltation reactor was made from a glazed plate. The electrodes used were graphite as an anode and stainless steel net wire as a cathode. Biocoagulant used in this experiment was mangbin flour. The biocoagulant dose used in the experiment was 1.0, 1.5, and 2.0 gram in 200 milliliter of pit water. Results and discussion. Voltage optimization was conducted using an electrolyte solution. Bubble sizes were divided into three categories, namely less than 0.5 mm, equal 0.5 mm, and more than 0.5 mm on the constant voltage of 10, 20, and 30 volt. The voltage of 20 volt gave uniformity in the size of the bubbles, so that it can be said that the bubbles produced from the anode and cathode with a voltage of 20 volt were more stable. Biocoagulant dosage variations were intended to determine the optimum dose to be used in pit water remediation. Biocoagulant with a dose of 1.5 gram gave the optimum result to the three test parameters so that it can be used for remediation of pit water. By using equation 1, it can be seen that the turbidity value decreased by 84.5%, the TDS value decreased by 70.2%, and the pH value of pit water changed from 2.7 to 6.8. Conclusion. Based on the result presented in the study, it can be concluded that the use of mangbin biocoagulant can improve the performance of electroporation in pit water remediation. This was evidenced by a decrease in turbidity values of 84.5%, the decrease in TDS of 70.2%, and the change of pH to 6.6. Thank you.